what's up? And I'm very excited as always, is only because I just received a courier from Amazon, and Shreya and I, we had ordered this amazing lipstick kit, which is Dave Beauty Liquid Matte, and I wanted to do a swatch test because I'm just opening the pack now, and I wanted to see how pigmented it is because they have guaranteed matte finish, pigmentation, etc. So I'm just gonna do a quick swatch right in front of you. And this reminds me like a sketch pen set from my school. Yeah, but I love this one more. I'm just gonna keep it right here, and the first shade is out right in my hand, which is a brown nude color, and I think this is the lightest shade available in here. So let me try this because if agar light wala pigmented hai, then it's gonna be the best. Let's see. So the first swatch is, actually I'll do it here, it's better. I'll just do it here. See, it's pretty good as well, but I think इसको थोड़ी डबल लेयरिंग की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. थोड़ा सा लाइट है, but हाँ, if you want for long lasting effect, then you have to put a, what do you call it, double layer. Yes. The second one I've taken is nudish pink, and oh, ये बस कहने को nude है, but this is pretty pigmented and it's very nice actually. It's very nice. Cocoa brown, and yaar, ye actually not everybody can carry the shade, but if you know and if you have a confidence to carry it, it gives you the strongest look. And let me try this. Okay, a big blunder. The shade is brown but under is maroon. Why have you done this, Dave Beauty? And you can also see the swatch, it's maroon. Why? Now the time for red. I hope andar se brown na nikal aaye. Like, I will not be surprised. So this is a blood red shade, and thankfully it's red. Okay, let me try this here. Very pretty. Very pretty actually. For liquid matte hot pink, and red and pink are like my evergreen favorite shades. मतलब अगर कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं है ना तो वो लगा लो and you are good to go. And this hot pink comes out as a nude pink because nude pink was like a hot pink. I think they have color blindness, I'm not sure. Let me swatch it. It's a nude pink, guys. So अगर ये hot pink है तो अंदर से nude pink निकला है. I'm speechless. Brown में red, hot pink में nude pink. But the shades are beautiful, undoubtedly. जो मैंने cocoa brown लगाया था, that was maroon. But इससे एक shade lighter, I've got this brown, which I would call it as a chocolate brown. And इसके अंदर से I hope brown निकले. It is brown. Looks like a little bit of nudish effect on it. It would be really good for ombre. See, this is really nice. But again, if you want it for a long lasting, you have to make it like a double layer. Again, a wooden brown shade, and I want brown inside. Let's see. Wow, this is really very beautiful. It is very beautiful. This I would call as traditional red, and it goes on like a lot of traditional wear and sarees, or if you're wearing black altogether, it will be amazing. Let me swatch it out. यार बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful है, and the best part is all the reds and the browns have a different undertone, which is even better because कई लोग इस चीज़ को समझते नहीं है, but undertone matters a lot. Let's say if I'm wearing magenta, I would like to have a nude pink which has a maroon undertone, and yeah, this red is really beautiful. This is maroon, and let me check it out. Okay, यार बहुत ही प्रिटी है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी है ये. बट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये वाले मरून में और ये वाले रेड में थोड़ी सी सिमिलैरिटी है, बट इट्स ओके. आई मीन ये वाला मैं श्रेया को दे दूँगी बिकॉज इट्स रेपिटेटिव. और a deep burgundy in here, and let's see. OMG, it has a purple undertone to it, but pigmentation थोड़ी सी light है अगर आपको दिख रहा हो तो, है ना. तो ये डबल लेयरिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसके लिए, because if you're wearing something like this then you have to make sure that it's well applied all over. So this is very nice shade, but you have to do a double layering to it. Guys, I'm happy. Shade is nude peach, and let's see the nude. OMG, look at this one, it is amazing. Peachish shade है, pink undertone के साथ, but when you apply it, it's more on a orange side. If you can see it, it's very nice. This one is onion pink, and usually मुझे ये कलर बहुत पसंद है, और मेरे पास एक I think L'Oreal का कोई शेड है भी which is of this color, and I'm just gonna swatch it out here. Guys, this is not onion pink. This is actually hot pink. तो अनियन पिंक के अंदर हॉट पिंक है, न्यूड पिंक के अंदर एक्चुअली नॉर्मल पिंक है, एंड डार्क पिंक के अंदर न्यूड. माय गॉड, दिस इज लाइक नेवर एंडिंग पजल. सी राइट नाउ. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई कि ये इसमें से पूरा निकलता है कि नहीं, एंड आई वॉज यूजिंग मिसलर वाटर टू वाइप इट ऑफ एंड सी द मैजिक. Literally, it's not even moving a bit. Can you see this, guys? I've not seen something like this before, and it's beautiful. I've used expensive of the expensive brand, but this is something really original, and it's long lasting, matte finish, a must buy. So these are all the shades right now in my hand, and okay, I would suggest you, if you're ordering such a huge kit, make sure that you have somebody to share it with you all, because I'm going to share it with my sister and with my cousins, and it is all beautiful shades falling as well. After ages, since Corona started, I have shopped some lipstick, and I'm happy about it. I hope you loved this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my channel on YouTube as well. See you.